Bowel incontinence can arise from many causes, including an injury to the anal sphincter. In most cases, this is caused during childbirth, surgery, or trauma. Incontinence is distressing and has a significant impact on quality of life, and the current management of patients with bowel incontinence is unsatisfactory. Being properly diagnosed and referred to the correct specialists can take a long time. Current therapies include drugs and sacral nerve stimulation, but they don't work for everyone, and current surgical options are not suitable for many patients with severe symptoms. The AMELIE project is researching a novel treatment. The project involves the collaboration of 13 organisations across 9 European countries to develop a new regenerative treatment. Their aim is to restore the function of the sphincter muscle with the patient's own muscle cells. The muscle cells are anchored to the surface of microcarriers before being injected to promote regrowth of the muscles that provide bowel control. Delivery of muscle cells attached to the biodegradable microcarriers is intended to make the treatment more effective. With microcarriers, it's hoped more cells will survive and attach to the muscles, leading to better results than just delivering the cells in solution. This strategy is expected to increase the likelihood of muscle regeneration, contributing to improved continence and consequently improved quality of life for patients. One advantage of this technique is that it doesn't involve major surgery. This promising treatment will have to go through clinical trials before being approved and made available to patients. Public involvement is essential to the success of AMELIE. There will be opportunities to help shape research, take part in focus groups and surveys, read materials and even help in patient recruitment to clinical trials.